Welcome to North Carolina Central University, specifically the Counselor Education Program. My name is Dr. Chadwick Royal. I'm an associate professor in the program, and I want to provide you with a brief tutorial as to how you can gain access to your online courses within our program. The university does provide some training with how to navigate online courses, how to make use of the Blackboard system, but we wanted to go the extra step and make sure that you are aware of how you can easily gain access to your classes. Now, our website is a primary starting place for any of our students, and hopefully you've already visited this website numerous times, but we do encourage you to visit it often while you're in the program, just to make sure that you're up to date on announcements and activities that are going on within the program. We try very hard to make sure and communicate with all of our students, but it's also on your shoulders as well to make sure that you're doing everything you can to stay informed. So this website is a primary access point for just about anything you need while you're in the program. In particular, obviously there's a students page or tab to the website, which is located here. But we have quick links you can access from the site. All you have to do is scroll down, and this is available on every page of the site, down in this bottom left corner. This is also available on mobile devices as well, that this will appear. It probably won't appear until you get to the very end of the site on a phone or iPad, but as you'll notice, it's quick links, and we have direct access to My EOL or My Eagles Online. There's the link to Blackboard directly, Banner, Folio Tech, the academic calendar, and the library, just in an effort to be helpful. So what you want to pay most attention to for right now is Blackboard. You can get a direct link to Blackboard here. So let me make sure that my browser's working here. All I need to do is to click on Blackboard, and this screen should appear. Now if you go through My Eagles Online or My EOL, you can also get to Blackboard that way as well, and it's kind of a one-time login when you log into EOL, and you can get access to email and to Banner and to Blackboard all at the same time. But this link, the direct link to Blackboard, is what we'll focus on right now. So if you're wanting to get to your class, either you're going to bookmark this site or bookmark our web page, and then you can easily get to Blackboard from there. Now, Blackboard in itself, for those of you that may not be aware of what it is, this is the software that the university uses for all online classes. Blackboard will sometimes be referred to as a CMS, course management system, or content management system, maybe an LMS, learning management system. But most of the time you'll just hear instructors and other students just refer to it as Blackboard. This is the login screen, and you will want to enter the first part of your email address here. It's not your actual, not your actual email address, but the letters and before the @ symbol in your email address. So mine is simply croyal, even though my email address is croyal@nccu.edu. And then you will want to enter your password. And I am going to pause the recording here so that you don't have access to my password, and I'll restart once I'm logged in. Alright, so I entered my password and hit submit or return, and this is the screen that appears. And my screen obviously looks a little bit different than yours probably will, simply because I have instructor access. But the primary element you're going to look for in terms of your courses are going to be in this box on the right hand side. It's going to say My Courses. You'll see mine has indications of courses where I'm an instructor, But it also has courses where you are students. So yours will most likely read something like this, and everything here would be shifted up to the top. So you'll have a listing of your courses here. And each one of these functions as a active link. So each one of these is a link to a particular course. And all you really need to do is to click on one of those links. You'll get access to the course. So I'm going to click on one, let's say from, just finished a summer session, so I'm going to click on that one. And you'll be able to see the course. Now each instructor you have may structure their particular course slightly differently. My templates always tend to look like this, where I have very similar menu items here in every course. But at your landing page, whatever appears once you click on the course link is the actual course web page, and you should have some instructions from your instructor about how to get started. They might have a link on this side that says getting started. They might have an announcement posted about what to do to get started, or any other relevant information about when things will be available. But this is your primary way of accessing courses. It's just a matter of logging into Blackboard and then clicking on the appropriate link for the course that you need. Courses will be visible and invisible based on completion of a course. I think the university does close out courses within a couple of weeks or so after a course ends. So if you need to extract any assignments for FolioTech upload, you're going to want to do that before the course disappears, or else you'll need to be in touch with the instructor to get access back into the course. But once the university makes it invisible, it's unavailable to you and won't appear in that list of courses any longer. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about how to access Blackboard, feel free to get in touch with me. And best of luck with your studies.